In this guide, I'll show you how to delete your search history on YouTube using your phone. So, the first thing you want to do is open up the YouTube mobile app. And once you're here, what you want to do is select your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then you want to tap on the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to tap on manage all history. And once this loads, you'll see a number of different options here. So you have the ability, if you tap on saving your YouTube history, to turn it off fully so it never saves it. You also have the option of setting up auto delete right here. But if you're looking to just delete today, for example, you'll see a delete, which is blue. And if you tap on it, there's a drop down. So we have the option to delete today, delete a custom range, or you can delete all time. So in this example, I'm going to choose delete today, but feel free to choose whichever one you'd like. And then from here, if you ever need to delete your search history again, you can just come back to this section and customize it the way you'd like. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.